Ladies and gentlemen, join your hands together to welcome press officer and the spokesperson of the US Embassy in New Delhi, Mr. Christopher Elms.
I'm the spokesperson at the US Embassy in New Delhi, visiting Calcutta for a couple of days. I've been posted in New Delhi 2 years now. It's my second assignment in India. I was previously in India 2016 to 2018 as well. And I came back because I love it. I love working in India. I love the people in India. I love the food in India. I love the culture in India. It's a fantastic place to work and a place where we're lucky as US diplomats to be working on a relationship that is growing. All of you are potentially aspiring journalists and members of the press and media corps in the near future. So I want to start off with a few comments on my experience working with the press, how you can use your time here at Heritage, which is really such a beautiful campus, to develop into the best journalist or whatever it is that you pursue in the field of media. One of the things that you need to focus on both in your studies and as you make a name for yourself and as you carry out stories that make a difference in the world is the role that integrity plays in the work that you're doing. So integrity takes a number of different forms. It is in revealing the truth, in knowing what the actual truth is. It's in building trust with your readers and those that might be watching you on TV or YouTube or whatever comes in 10 years that we've never heard of right now. If you are building up your credibility, whether that's you as a person, as the brand that you are as a person, as the brand that you are in a public persona for a company or a media organization or an outlet, it's about building up this integrity that is so critical to your work as a journalist or someone in the field of media. And it's important to keep that in mind in a time when there's a fair bit of manipulation of the news, a fair bit of mis and disinformation as well. And I'm sure you're learning about that in your studies, but it's a really difficult thing to get a handle on once you're in the real world. How does something that you know is patently false get to be a fact according to so many people? And I'm sure that you're learning ways in your studies to look out for that, but you need to be vigilant about that for your integrity, for the readers to trust you, for your outlets to maintain you as a journalist or as an anchor or whatever it is. You've got to be quite vigilant on mis and disinformation.